Hey, my name is Frederick. I'm the co-founder of Zapdeck, and today I'm excited to show you some new updates to our product with powerful features that make creating presentations much faster and easier. Let's jump right in. We start with a new presentation. Here you can see the empty editor where you can create your slides. To begin, I upload a report from the World Economic Forum with more than 100 pages and ask the AI to create a 10-slide executive summary. All I need to do is drag the document into the assistant and just drop it here. Then I write a short prompt explaining what I want. And then I click here on the blue button to send it. The AI takes around 5 minutes to analyze the document, create an outline for your presentation, and also generate the slides. So the best thing to do is just let it work for a moment and come back after a few minutes to continue editing your slides. As soon as the first slides are ready, you can already continue editing them with our new parallel agents feature. This is one of our new updates, and it makes editing presentations a lot easier. You can start a new agent by clicking here on the New Agent button. And this opens a new chat window where you can send new requests. For example, I can select this slide and simply say, instead of icons, please use suitable images for each of the 5 domains. And now I send this request. And now the AI starts working on my request for slide 3, and I can already move on to the next slide, slide 4, click here to start a new agent, and for example say, make the background of the first row of the table white and the text blue. And like this, you can go through your presentation and very quickly make adjustments. And all of these agents will run in parallel and make it a lot easier to edit your presentation. You can simply get an overview of the different agents that are currently running by clicking up here, and then you will get a list of the agents that are working on your slides, and you also see the status, whether they are still running or already finished, and when you have started them. Now, if the AI made any changes you don't like, you can always go back to an earlier version of your slide. This is the second update that we have for you. To do so, you simply click here on the clock icon on the right side of your slide, which opens the version history of this slide. Here you can see all previous versions and also restore any versions that you prefer. You simply click here on Restore this version. And then you have activated the previous version of this slide. And you can, of course, now continue editing it with our agents here on the right side. Another feature I personally really like is to be able to add new slides to your presentation. To do so, you can simply click here on this plus on the left side of your slide and choose to either add a new slide above or below your current slide. Now you can manually write a script for this slide with the exact information that you want to put on the slide, and the AI will come up with a suitable layout for you. So you can just write a few bullet points, for example. And then you click here on the right side to generate your slide. And this is perfect if you already have a storyline in mind and you don't want the AI to come up with content for your presentation. Or what you can do is, let me add another slide. You can simply write a custom request by opening this menu with a backslash and selecting custom request. And now you can describe to the AI what should be on the slide in terms of content and layout. So now I ask the AI to create an agenda slide for this presentation, and this means that the AI will come up both with the content and the layout of the slide. And it takes this information from the rest of your presentation and the knowledge that the language model has on its own. If you like, we can also connect to the databases and other knowledge resources of your company. And then the AI will be able to extract that information from those sources as well. So here we have our agenda slide. And of course, it makes most sense to have it at the beginning of the presentation. So you can just take it here and drag it up all the way to the start of the presentation. And like this, it's very easy to create a professional presentation in only 5 to 10 minutes. And when you're done, you can download it as a PowerPoint file by clicking up here on the blue download button. And now you have a fully editable PowerPoint presentation. You can rewrite the text as you used to. You can reposition and increase the images. They all have a sufficient resolution. And you can also edit the charts. They are all regular PowerPoint charts, so you can change the formatting and also open the data in Excel. I hope that you enjoy these new features, and I'm really looking forward to hearing your feedback. If you don't have access to the product yet, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll be happy to provide you your personal test account. Make sure to follow this channel so that you don't miss any future updates. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, and see you soon.